Hey everybody, I just wanted to give a quick tip. I'm just starting to open my pool for the summer, and so my pool is like nasty green at the moment, but does that mean that it's still floating with algae, or is it just clear with algae sitting deep on the bottom? Well, I'll show you how you can tell. So, um, I put in chemicals about 3-4 days ago. I put a lot of shock in and a lot of algicide and let it sit for a couple days with the pump running. So now coming back and getting ready to open, so I'm gonna set my pump to backwash. For those that don't know, you always go clockwise. You never go counterclockwise with these handles because it can wear them out and whatnot. But all right, so we go to backwash. I turn the pump on and go to on, and then I come over here and I'm watching my little see-through gauge right here. Notice how it is not green. It is clear water. That tells me right now that the entire water column inside the pool is clear, that all the algae that was floating in it last week when I dumped in the algicide was killed and sank to the bottom. So now all I have to do is very carefully, very slowly vacuum the pool. The slower and more careful I can go, the less I stir it up, the less it gets brought back up into the water column, the faster the job will be. So slow and steady wins the race, and just keep an eye on your bulb here. All right, thanks.